Okay, the problem we're going to look at is exercise 10-14A. So DS Company issued bonds with $180,000 face value on January 1, year 1. Bonds had a 7% stated rate of interest and a 5-year term. Interest is paid in cash annually beginning December 31st, year 1. The bonds were issued at 98, so we know that they were issued at a discount. So they ask you to complete a grid like we've done here. Just showing what's going up and down, just plus or minus for what's increasing or decreasing, and then calculating some information. So I'm going to walk through one that I've already done here for you. So in this case, when we issue the bonds, cash goes up, bonds payable goes up, and then that bond discount category has a negative value. It's different than bonds payable. Then in number 2, when we make the interest expense payment, we reduce cash. I reduce the bond discount. In this case, it reduces with a positive number because it has a negative balance. And I reduce retained earnings for the interest expense. So that's what they're looking for in A. Now in B, they say determine the carrying value, which is the face value less the discount or plus a premium of the bond liability at the end of the first year. So first I need to figure out what the initial discount is. So the face value is $180,000 and we issued it at 98, or 180,000 times 0.98. So 176,400 is the cash we received. So the shortfall, the discount, is $3,600. So we'll amortize that over the 5-year period. That works out to $720 per year. So now I had to do that first before I could answer B. So now the initial carrying value is $180,000 minus the full discount of $3,600. That's $176,400. So I'm going to reduce that $3,600 by $720 the first year. So the unamortized discount is $2,880 at the end of the first year. So I take the face value of the bond minus the unamortized discount, $2,880, will give me a carrying value of $177,120. Now the interest expense is going to equal the interest that we paid plus the discounted amortization. So we're going to pay $180,000 times 7%, so the full face amount times the contract rate. So we'll pay our bondholders $12,600 per year, and the interest expense will be $12,600 plus $720, or $13,320. Next thing they ask is to determine the carrying value, the face value less a discount at the end of year 2. So now it's going to be $180,000 minus the unamortized discount, which is $3,600 minus $720 for the first year, minus $720 for the second year, or $2,160. So the carrying value goes up to $177,840. So as you might be able to tell here, as we amortize that discount, the carrying value is going to approach $180,000. When the bond matures, the discount will be 0 and the carrying value will be $180. The last thing they ask for is the interest expense in year 2. It's going to be the same $12,600 that we pay plus $720, $13,320. That'll be the same every year. So hopefully you found that helpful. I'll scan this document and upload it to Moodle as well. Thank you.